What is up, entrepreneurs? I'm getting a ton of questions this week about the $600 reporting item for cash apps. Things like Venmo, PayPal, Stripe, Zelle, Cash App. It's true. Those apps now have to report, just like credit card processors, just like everything else. They have to report to the IRS, and they have to issue a 1099 for anybody getting paid for business items over $600. But here's the deal. It's for 2022. A lot of this you're seeing right now in the news, in the media, online. It's not for 2021 and not for the tax returns you're about to file. These 1099s aren't going to be issued until January of 2023 for the 2022 tax year. So you got a whole year to plan around this. And it's not for everything. It's only for business use of these type of apps. They've all built out questions now asking, is this a good or service you're providing? Is this a business use? Or is this friends and family? Is this a payment or reimbursement for a personal item? You're not taxed on any friends or family or personal items. So if those are selected, you're good. No taxable income, no 1099. But if you do business sales and things where you get paid from customers on any of these apps, they are going to report 1099s to the IRS and to you at the end of 2022, beginning of 2023. Anything over $600 has to be reported. So if you're a business owner, if you're an entrepreneur, and you've been paying people through these apps, you're good. You don't have to change anything. It doesn't really affect your side as the payer, but as the payee, if you haven't been reporting these items, you now are going to have to report because the IRS is going to have a record. They're going to have a paper trail to see how much you made through Venmo, through Cash App, through Zelle, through PayPal. So there's tons of reporting now that's going to be sent to the IRS moving forward. Again, we're talking about 2022, not the previous year. The previous year rules for most apps is at least $20,000 and 200 transactions before they do any reporting, before they do a 1099. So 2021 and backwards, you're good if you didn't do over $20,000 or 200 transactions. But moving forward, anything over $600, combination from any people, that's unfortunately going to be taxable income, unless it's clicked friends or family or reimbursement or something like that. So if your roommate's paying you for rent, if somebody's reimbursing you for lunch, you're fine. If you get a gift from a family member, you're fine. But if you're selling goods or services or getting paid for those things through these apps, then you've got to make sure you report it, or you're going to get a letter or get audited by the IRS. So be really careful there. And the same goes for crypto exchanges. All of those are now required to report to the IRS. So anything on Coinbase or any of the exchanges or crypto trade platforms, be careful on those as well, because it's the same type of reporting. 1099s in some version going to you and going to the IRS. Hope that helps you plan accordingly and takes a little stress off some of you that's reading some things in the news and in the media right now. If you have any questions, reach out, shoot me a DM, and I'll have more tax tips for you next Tuesday. Thanks.